I made a webpage with photos of the moon that I took with my P900. Since the photos and analysis support the idea that the moon is a large distant sphere, I made this top 10 video based on the webpage. See the description for a link to this page and other resources. 10. It's a circle. I've taken many photos of the moon. Other than those cases where the moon is close to the horizon, the moon's disk is always circular. If the moon was actually a disk and close to Earth, it would appear to be elliptical when viewed anywhere other than directly underneath it. 9. Crater shapes. Craters near the center of the moon's disk are circular, whereas craters near the edge of the moon's disk are elliptical. But are they elliptical the right amount? I wrote a program that converts images of spheres to the equirectangular projection, which can then be converted to other projections. On these other projections, it becomes clear that the craters are elliptical the expected amount. 8. Crater rays. Crater rays radiating from craters follow great circles on the moon. They appear curved to us due to the curvature of the moon, but when the moon is rendered using the mnemonic projection, which renders great circles as straight lines, the crater rays are straight. 7. Angular size. The moon's angular size does not vary significantly in a day regardless of where it's viewed on Earth. This must mean that the distance to the moon is large compared to the size of the Earth. 6. Dark side. The dark side of the moon is there even though it's hard to see. During a crescent moon, it's possible to see it by increasing the exposure. The moon is always a sphere even when it's not apparent. 5. Day moon. The moon during the day is the same thing as the moon at night, but with blue light from the atmosphere added. The crater shadows, which are black like the sky at night, are the same shade of blue as the sky during the day. By comparing to a night moon, it becomes clear that the entire moon is much bluer. Distant objects are bluer than close objects due to additional atmosphere. 4. Moonrise. The moon rises and sets each day, which would not be possible if it was a fixed distance over a flat Earth. In this photo, the center of the moon was about 1/2 a degree above the horizon. The photo was taken on a deck about 5 meters above the water. The elliptical shape strongly suggests that standard atmospheric refraction is in effect. 3. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipses only happen when the moon is completely full, which is when it's exactly opposite the sun. During lunar eclipses, it's possible to see a circular shadow with the expected diameter pass over the moon. 2. Moon ball. By holding a ball up to the moon during the day, it's possible to see that the ball is lit the same way as the moon. This must mean that the sun is far relative to the moon and that both the moon and the ball are lit by the same parallel light rays. 1. Stellarium. For most of the photos, I also included a screenshot of Stellarium. Stellarium is able to accurately predict what the moon will look like, both the phase and the orientation. It also gets everything else right too. It's based on the heliocentric model. Conclusion. In conclusion, the moon is a large distant sphere. Also, this is something you can do yourself. Take your own pictures of the moon. Do your own analysis. I look forward to seeing your video.